I cannot wait to dive in on one of these. Looks great. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, I butterflied these beautiful chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs if you'd like, but for this, I'm doing chicken breasts nice and thin. And then I'm just gonna add a couple cups of pickle juice. And we're gonna let this sit for about an hour in the fridge while we work on the sauce. We've got the chicken resting in the fridge. We're gonna work on the sauce. This is our simpler version, kind of twist on the Chick-fil-A sauce. We're gonna use the cilantro lime dressing, mayonnaise, some barbecue sauce, a little bit of mustard, and of course you need some honey. I never like wasting any honey. All right, we're gonna mix that all up. That's gonna be great on the chicken later. Okay, the chicken's been in the pickle juice now for about an hour. We're gonna put the rub together here. We're gonna use some granulated garlic, some paprika, a little cayenne pepper, and then a Cajun rub. That is similar to like a Slap Your Mama or something like that. We're gonna mix that all together, and we're gonna thoroughly coat our chicken here. Gonna drop these out here. Again, remember, if you don't wear gloves and take them off, make sure you wash your hands. I'm gonna pat the chicken off here, and then we'll put this rub on. Let it soak in a little bit while we start up the grill. Such a great smell to this. It'll give it a nice kick. Okay, we've got the chicken ready. Again, it sat in the pickle juice. Then it got the rub. That's all soaked in. The grill is up to fire. We're just gonna put a little oil on it here so the chicken doesn't stick, and we're gonna lay these out. I love cooking over an open flame. We'll probably do that about 5-6 minutes each side. These are pretty thin, so that's all it should really take. We'll want to get it up to temperature, and then we'll be making our sandwiches. Okay, this is coming along nicely, smells great. And then we'll be putting these sandwiches together. Okay, the chicken's gonna be ready here in about a minute, so we're gonna get this ready. We're gonna take our sauce, which is our replica of the Chick-fil-A sauce. Put that on the bottom. Nice piece of lettuce down here. A couple beautiful tomatoes. We're gonna lay on the chicken. Smells so good. Then top it off with a little piece of Colby Jack. These look outstanding. Can't wait to try it. See how they stack up to the real thing. Another little dollop of sauce on top of that. Looks outstanding. Time to put the bun on. Great spices. Chicken's cooked perfect. I can't stop eating it. Thanks so much for joining me on this twist of the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. It tastes amazing. Give it a try.